Hello everybody, I am the Reasonable Cuber, and today I'm going to do a few example solves. Just for a time reference, I average around 13-ish seconds. So yeah, here we go. First scramble, it should be on screen if I remember to do that for you to follow along. And I'm going to be doing on white cross for the examples. So I see green here and blue here. Those can be inserted correct relative to each other. And then orange and red. What I'd probably do is insert blue, D prime, insert red relative to those, D2, and insert orange. First thing I see is the red and blue pair, which you can separate like this and insert into the back. That's nice. Next, I see the red and green pair, which you can set up like that, rotate so that it inserts into the back because it's better to have solved back slots, and then solve that. Then I see the orange and blue here, which you can put the corner over here, sledgehammer, and insert like that. And then this pair, I need a rotation, solve like that. This OLO, and oops, a G-perm. Don't know which G-perm, but it's a G-perm. That's all that matters. Next, scramble. So we have orange here, green here, red there, blue there. Okay, what I'd do is, seeing that these can be on opposite centers, I'd move green on top of orange, solve those two, and then D prime, solve blue, D prime, solve red. I see this edge is solved and the corners here, the blue and orange, so I'd D, insert the corner D prime to do that, some keyhole, pretty useful. I see the orange and green pair here, which you can do rotationless into the back, just like that. And I see the red and blue, triple sexy, and the green and red, insert like that. This OLL, I do it like this. Don't know if that's the best way, but that's how I do it. And an A-perm. Cool. On to the next scramble. Okay, so we have orange here, red there, green there, blue there. This isn't the greatest. So yeah, that's not good. Okay, I guess what I'd probably do would be put red correctly so that I can put green in, D prime, put blue in with the B prime. Whoops, I dropped the cube. You don't want to do that. D prime again, so you can solve orange, and then D2 to align the cross. I see the green and red pair here. It can be inserted rotationless, but it is into the front. If you do this, and like this. Yeah, I learned that from a J-perm video. Very useful. I see this, the blue and red, so I'll rotate for that because this edge is then good. Put that like that, and I see this pair here as I'm doing that, so I'd go straight into pairing that back up, rotate to solve that. Now this corner is solved and this edge isn't, so I'd put this, because this aligns there, so I'd put this across and do this. Yep. Anti-soon, and another G-perm. Cool. Oops, I was about to reset the timer, but I'm not timing these. Next, scramble. So we have blue already solved there, orange over here. What I would do would be put orange on top of the center, R prime, put green on top, set those in together, which also sets red up. I see this pair, the blue and orange. I'd do that from here, insert into the back. I saw the orange and green pair as well set up already. Rotate so that it inserts to the back, so you have two open front slots. The green, sorry, not green, I'm bad at colors. The blue and red, put it like that, and then inserted like that. This pair, you could rotate and solve it like this, but if I were already here, I'd just do F, reverse sexy, F prime, and insert like that. There's this OL, like that, and an R perm. Nice. I'll just do one more for a nice 5 examples. Okay, so we have red there, green there. Those are relative to each other, so that's all right. There's this made pair here, but I don't think I'm smart enough to preserve that. So I'd insert green relative to those, align them for blue, and insert orange like that. So the first thing I see is the red and blue pair, which can be paired up like that, rotate so that it's inserted into the back. Do that. I saw these, the green and red pair them up like this, and insert just like that. The blue and orange, pretty easy. And I see these two. I just rotate for this and this OLL and a nice U-perm. So those were the 5 example solves. I hope they were helpful in some way. So yeah, thank you for watching.